Quick reading for January the 3rd to January the 4th, Pisces. Sumungit ba tayo lately? Medyo na-trigger na naman ba tayo? It felt like with the Four of Pentacles, the King of Swords, and the Four of Cups. Siguro meron tayong mga hiningi. It could also be a demand. It could be a request. It could be something that we verbally mentioned or energetically pinakita. Hopefully, no, na sana makuha niya yung gusto kong sabihin. But then again, parang nagkaroon ng misunderstanding dito, no? Parang naalala niyo doon kay Tulfo na pinabili siya ng hotdog, footlong yung binili. Parang ganon. Almost similar, but not quite. So, parang na-trigger tayo doon sa part na um, detalye yung sinabi ko. From all those details, eto lang yung nakuha mo and mali pa, no? I think that yung pagiging OC ng Pisces is medyo nati-trigger ngayon. But I feel like kaya pa naman tong remedyohan. So, wag masyado mainit ang ulo, Pisces. This is your quick reading for January the 3rd to January the 4th.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars alive.